All right, let's jump right into this quick explainer. Today, we're taking a rapid-fire look at the very core of the scientific landscape, bridging the gap between fundamental and applied research. Whether you're a student mapping out your academic path or a professional driving industry innovation, understanding how these two domains connect is absolutely the secret to turning theory into real-world impact. So, think of fundamental research as our ultimate quest to understand exactly why things happen. Applied research then steps in, taking that deep knowledge to solve specific, practical problems.
Honestly, they're kind of like two halves of the exact same puzzle. Fundamental research literally provides the blueprints, and applied research uses them to engineer rapid, real-world innovation.
And mastering this dynamic, it's a game changer that completely unlocks your potential. By combining the why with the how, you easily bridge that gap between abstract theories and tangible solutions.
So, the big question is, how will this empower your own endeavors? Are you going to uncover the next big foundational truth or engineer tomorrow's biggest application?